in Jesus' name. Have fire rain literally come down from the sky and scorch every demon, devil, demoniac, and wicked angel that exists right now. Have that rain be without clouds or with clouds. Either way, let that happen and burn them to ash heaps or to ashes, or have that evaporate them. And have my living creatures literally poison my enemies. So have the spiders sting the wicked right now in Jesus' name to annihilate them. In Jesus' name. Have everyone that ever poisoned me be poisoned right now in Jesus' name to their deaths.